let's talk about math. All right, so on math, we're going to do calendar and then we're going to do the math activity that we have for today. So let's start with our activity and then the last thing we'll do is calendar. All right, so I want you, mom and dad, I had to send this graph sheet through the email, so it should be attached to your email that I sent out. I'm not sure how it didn't get into the packets, but I realized today when I was going through my packet, it wasn't in there. So I don't know that everybody has one. If you have a graph, a flower graph in your packet, great. If not, I'm going to email you one that looks like this. So for the directions for today, I'm going to turn this down a little bit. What I want you to do is, on here, I have different colors. So up here I have yellow, purple, white, red, orange, blue, pink, multicolor. So what I want you to do is I want you to start by taking some crayons or markers or something like that, and I want you to color these boxes, whatever color they say. So I'm going to start by doing that myself. Okay, to save us some time, I went ahead and started coloring my squares in. And you have squares over here, you have rectangles on this side. So I went ahead and colored my yellow, my purple, my white, my red, my orange, my blue, my pink, and the one at the bottom is multicolored. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of each color that I have here, and I'm just going to color it next to each other. Now you guys can do the multicolor any way you want to, but that's the way I'm going to do it. So what you're going to do today is I want you to go out in your yard and I want you to walk around and I want you to look for flowers. I have flowers growing down in my grass. They're probably weeds, but hey, they have a flower on them. So what I want you to do is I want you to take your chart out there, your graph, and I want you to look. And if you see a yellow flower, I want you to take your yellow marker, your crayon, or you can use your pencils like Miss Angie has, and I want you to color that rectangle yellow. So for every yellow flower you see, you're going to color one rectangle. You're going to do the same if it's a purple flower, a white flower, a red flower, an orange flower, a blue, pink. You might have one that's multicolored. If you remember the video I made a while back, there was one that we saw a white flower that had purple on the inside of it. So that would be multi. That means multi means more than one. So more than one color. So then you're going to color in these rectangles. Okay? That is part of your math assignment for today. You're going to graph. That's what this is called. You're going to graph it. You're going to chart it. All right. The next thing, let's move and we will start on calendar. So let's go ahead and let's talk about our calendar. Do you remember our Days of the Week song? You want to do it with me? Can you get to tapping? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Very good. So what I've done with our calendar is not only have we have the days and the number, the date, but I made a pattern. So I'm going to go over the pattern. I want to see if you can help me or if you can guess what pattern is that I used, because we're going to use it as we finish the rest of this week. Okay, because we're almost done with the month of April. This is the month of April. We're almost done with it. So let's begin. We're going to say, now these are clouds and, can you guess? Raindrops. Very good. Clouds and raindrops. So let me move a little bit here so it's easier for me to move around. So let's start with, we have cloud, raindrop, raindrop. Cloud, raindrop, raindrop. Cloud, raindrop, raindrop. raindrop, raindrop. Cloud, 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 raindrop. What do you think the next is going to be? Did you say raindrop? You are correct. It is raindrop. So we have our raindrop here. So we're going to put it right there. Forgot my tape. Let me get my tape. So we are going to put it right there. So that is our pattern. Our pattern is cloud, raindrop, raindrop. So what I want you guys to do is look for different patterns in your house, or you make up your own pattern if you want to. And we will come back tomorrow and we'll see what the next part of our pattern is. Can you guys take a guess? So we have raindrop, raindrop. What do you think is going to come next tomorrow? And tomorrow we'll also talk about the numbers, all right? So that's it for your math assignment today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.